Why did you have to cut the call? Have you thought about what we discussed? What do you mean? What do you mean by that? I shouldn't call you that your wife is around. Do I look like I care? I don't care, oh. I don't. She should go to hell for all I care. That's not my business. See, you said you cannot marry me. No problem. Me, self, I don't want to marry you. Just do the needful. Buy me the house that's new layout now. You will buy me that house, oh. See, all these things you are saying, don't even annoy me. Do you realize that you did not pay me for my services? You did not pay me for my services. Why did you not pay me? You should have forwarded it to my account. Don't you have my account number? Don't you have it? Yeah? I don't bloody care about that. I don't care. You can say whatever you want, but all I care is what makes me happy. I want to be happy. Call me selfish, call me whatever you think. It is my interest that I want. Yeah? Hello? Adeni? The cool girl. He dare cut the phone on me. This man should not dare me. He should not even try me. He should not even push me to the wall. Because I will so deal with him. I will so deal with that man that his next option will be committing suicide. He should not try me. Chicken 100,000. Chicken change. Every time he gives me 100,000, 150,000, 200, or the Diego. You see this man, you'll be knocking me for 2 years. 2 solid years non-stop. You must buy me that house. I know when you go there. When I get you up on a foot house. Let me know. My God, this man should not just push me. I swear with my life, I will cripple him. He should not try me. Because Mirabelle is a bitch. Whatsoever she wants, she gets. Who's this one? Hello? Okay, just sneak into the compound. Just say 12 minutes. 12 minutes. Just say that. I'll open the door for you. Let me quickly shower.
Honestly, I don't know how to describe this. You are just too sweet.
How sweet?
I cannot explain it. Someone of your class should not be living with us in this yard. You belong to the High and Mighty.
You know, one thing I like about you is that you're always very humble. And you say the nicest things.
So, should I understand that to mean I possibly have a chance with you?
Do you think you have a chance with me?
I know your level is higher than mine. But I will not remain like this forever. If you can give me hope that you consider a relationship with someone like me, that will motivate me to do more. And you never can tell when luck will shine on me.
Have you ever heard about the Etiko tree?
I left village early in life, so I don't know much about proverbs.
I'll tell you about it. The saying goes like this. He who is lucky enough to climb an Etiko tree should do all he could, because it is not always easy for one to find himself on an Etiko tree.
I feel I now understand what that means. You are the Etiko tree, and I am the lucky one who finds himself on top. Wow. Mirabelle, I promise I will do my best.
I If you feel like say you wanna nail them, one day, Etiko, the body na super booba. What a pen and the body na wire. What a pen and the body na super duper. A super duper. The body na what a pen and take a easy. Well, no, you there on speed, and the speed they come, no, they too rush.
White witch, what exactly are you doing in front of my house? Who called you? Did I call you? What are you doing here? Or did you keep something here? Because whatever you keep here, it can never get to me. Holy Ghost fire, the thunder that will destroy you and how it will go back to sender to you, you will not even imagine. I am sure you haven't kept anything in front of my house. What are you doing here?
Fine. Those who are lucky to climb the Iroko tree should do all they could on the tree. It is not always that people find themselves there, because I am still looking for the tree.
And what rubbish did you just spew with your mouth?
I just repeated the exact words you used on one of the foes you have been killing slowly. And let me tell you something. Your days as a smooth operator in this compound are numbered.
What am I doing? Like, I don't understand. Wait, what did you just do?
You heard me right.
You came close to me to do what? See, if you ever try this nonsense again, I will show you the stuff I made. You don't know me. You don't know me very, very well. I will beat you blue, black, green, yellow. In fact, purple join together. What's the meaning of this now? What is the meaning of this? So, this job that you do not have is really affecting. Look at you, a very fine woman. All you do is isieba, ebanyeba, isieba, epota, ekolasele, ewago, ekolasele, ewada. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Can't you sit down and talk to yourself? I will be inside. In the privacy of the I'm not done talking. I am not done talking to you. You're not going anywhere. In the privacy of my room, you will be eavesdropping. What does that say? You are not just, you're a witch. You are indeed a white witch. Go and get a job. Go and be useful to yourself. You have heard what I said in my privacy. What has that done for you? Useless idiot. Don't touch me. Go and look for a job. Don't touch me. Go and look for a job. See, you have to go to your village and know what was really done to you. How is it your business? How does it concern you on how I have chosen to worry home? In my own room. You are dropping. Look at them see witchcraft in the highest level. Don't worry. Let me go and come back. I will so deal with you in this. You have no idea. You have no idea of what you just did. You have no idea of what you just did. Let me go and come back. I'm coming for you. I will be. Chief Adeni, I am trying so hard to understand why you and I ended up in your guest room again. What is the meaning of this? What do you have there? I mean, what do you have up here? What are you thinking? Let me tell you something that you don't know. If you have it in your mind that you and I would ever do something again, then you lie. You are a big liar until you do the needful. And I even that way. Nonsense.
Mirabelle, I brought you here so that we can talk under a controlled environment. Benny.
I don't need a controlled talk that will be discussed in a controlled environment. Since you have blatantly refused to control the only thing I have asked you to control. I don't need it.
Loto. So, could that be the reason you came to my house to bang at the gate?
I haven't really done anything wrong. I only came to your house to meet Inioluwa, your so-called beloved wife.
Oshekini?
I came to see your wife.
What for? What for?
Is that a question?
Mirabelle, I warned you from the very onset that you must never at any time come close to my house. James, is that not was that not our agreement?
I just mentioned your wife, you already started shivering. You're so scared, right? Because she is your wife. You don't even want anything whatsoever to happen to your family, but you want me to be angry. You don't want me to be fulfilled up, yeah? If I'm not fulfilled, Mr. Man, you will not be fulfilled.
Mirabelle, why are you saying all this? Why are you doing this?
What have I done? I did what I should do. I only came to your house to, introduce myself to your wife as your side chick.
Oshekini?
Yes! I mean, that is the in thing now. We side chicks, we have this power that sometimes we need to exercise by introducing ourselves to your so-called wives. So at least that is our right. And sometimes we should be able to exercise it.
Mirabelle.
Okay.
You came to my house to introduce yourself to my wife as my side chick. Why are you doing all this?
Because I've been the one relieving her. I have been the one doing her job. Have I not been?
Mirabelle. Oh, Yefara Rebade, calm down. Calm down. You came to my house to tell my wife that you are my side chick. Why are you? What have I not done for you? Have I denied you anything that I can afford? Why are you bent on destroying my marriage? Point
of correction. Point of just correct. What's that? Yes. If you don't want to hear me, forget it. You've been speaking Yoruba here since I've been looking at you. So I'm speaking my own. Listen to me. I am not ready. In fact, I don't even have the time to destroy anybody's marriage and not yours. Do you understand? So if you want to say anything to me, just sponge that one. Don't say it to me because that's why I don't have anything doing. I'm going about trying to destroy homes. You've seen a home breakup, yeah? See, you see this peace that you want? You will never have this peace until you do the needful. Nonsense.
And the needful you are talking about is for me to take you to my wife. Abi?
Mm-hmm. Is there anything wrong with that? Is there anything wrong with that?
Mirabelle. You want to destroy my home, Ninye?
Listen, I don't have time for all this nonsense you're spewing with your mouth. I honestly do not have time for that. Because I don't know what your problem is. Adeniyi. In fact, I won't go to Chief. Adeniyi, I don't know what your problem is. Marry me. Buy me a house. Igaju ochicha. Jogiga.
Kilonjebe.
Allow me to speak my dialect. It's not your problem. Have you not been speaking your own? See, let me tell you. You see this time around, I am so blowing these trumpets. I am so blowing this trumpet until the long-awaited rapture happens. I am so blowing it.
She's fine, yeah, her cups,
Chief Adeniyi, I would advise you do away with this crap. Let's just talk this over. Do you understand?
Mirabelle, let me tell you the truth. I cannot marry you.
Who even wants to marry you? You want to know the truth? The truth is that I am not even ready to marry you. It is not my choice to get married to you.
Loto, so what do you want?
Buy me the house. Buy me the goddamn freaking house. And not just anywhere. Layout. New layout phase 2. That's where I want my house to be bought.
Mirabelle, do you know how much they sell house there?
Mm-hmm.
Do you?
What do you mean, do I know how much they sell house? I know you full well, and I know the office you occupy. I know you can buy that house for me without any issues. But I don't know why you're behaving like this, why you have chosen to be like this. You don't know the insults, the embarrassments my neighbors give to me in that nonsense compound. Because I share, face me, I face you with them. Nonsense.
Oda, Mutigbo, I've heard you. I will buy the house for you. I will buy the house, but on one condition.
Condition quoi?
One condition.
Let's hear it.
Condition is you will follow me to Abuja and spend 1 month with me. So tell Lauren, are you okay with that?
For 2 years now, I've been in this relationship with you.
Tony.
You have never for once asked me to travel with you to anywhere for 1 week, not to talk of 1 month. But I tell you something, I don't have a problem with traveling with you to anywhere. I can go with you to anywhere, stay with you, make you happy. You know I can do that. But Chief, I'm not gonna mama. You have no idea. Do not embalm your remains by trying to do anything against me. Hey.
Why are you talking like this?
You heard me.
Why do you have to think like that? I have never, it is not in my nature to kill anybody. I have never even thought of it.
I have not even said anything. You're really talking about killing anybody. What I am saying is that I will go with you to Abuja. I don't have a problem with that. But if you have any ulterior motive by trying to sniff life out of me, like killing me, Chief, I'm not going to. In fact, it's a problem because it will not even work. You don't know where I came from. I am from the
I don't understand.
You can't do me anything. I'm saying the truth too. If your mind is pure, why are you shaking? I just want to let you know as you are prepared, I'm also prepared. Hello, girl. Girl, you can't believe this. Your girl will soon be the latest duplex owner in this town. What? Not just a duplex owner, not in regular places. So it's going to be a new layout phase 2. Who there is Azun? Who there is Zun Zang? Oh, my darling. Yes, no, you're speaking to a proud owner of a duplex. I need to be very proud because it's not easy. Whoever says it's easy to own a house, not just owning a house, owning a duplex, let the person go and try. Yes, so of course I know some laggards that has never achieved anything in their entire lives and that can never ever achieve. In fact, even in their next world, they would never get close to what I've achieved. Nonsense. I know they will not believe it, but they will see it. It is not hidden. Yes, my darling. So thank you so much. No. See, I'm going to be so proud this time around because it's not just from anybody to me. It is from me to me. Hey, from me to me. Oh, Coco, don't worry. Every of my platforms, now social media, I'm going to so post it with so much proud. Yes, sir. Thank you so much, my darling. Don't worry. I'll invite you over very soon and you'll so enjoy yourself. I love you, baby. No, landlady. Public yard.
The body na super booba. What a banana. The body na wire. What a banana. The body na super duper. A super duper. The body.
If you begin talk, what's it happen? Why they drag me like this? As I see myself now, and as I see Mirabelle, if you be say her house don't even dey there. See, babe, as I don't give you, Mirabelle is leaving this compound to new layout phase 2. Shut up. Which you go on? What's I tell you? Come, Messi. You just say na everything where people supposed to they use the play or the joke. Oh, Doris, I resemble person where they play. I no fit play now. I no fit joke with this kind of thing. I no fit. I heard it from the horse's mouth
I said, come out now, I buy something from Mama Yinka shop. I see Mirabelle where she dey make all the take person for phone. Say, as they see her now, she don't be landlady. Say, she don't get house for new layout phase 2.
As she? As she lie. Big lie. You know what happened? She called that person for phone because she want make you hear everything when she dey brag. No, they worry your head, though. She won't confuse you, not be me. She won't confuse you. But you know what will happen? Make we just chill, make we relax until she packs out of this compound. You know that girl is a braggart. And you know it. You know.
Wait, so you won't tell me say Mirabelle? So Mirabelle fit go to this extent just to pepper us?
Not us, you.
Hey!
Messi. He just do like say no be my baby where he be again. He just dey form my hand. This Mirabelle of a girl, she fit go to any extent to lie. And you know that. Okay, check am now. Person wey me and you know say she no get car. Wetin be car? Keke na kwawon. She no get. How you want tell me say she get house for new layout? How possible it be? How is it possible? Can you again?
You get point.
Maybe I go.
But what if last it can't be say she really get that house? As in for real, say the house where she dey talk, say she really get am. What we go do? You know could better make we cease fire.
Fear what?
Yes, now me we cease fire, make friends with her.
God forbid. Hello. I no fit be friends with such a fool. I no fit. You know they possible.
Ogbeni, calm down. Calm down.
Also?
Here in a city. Here in a city. And na jungle we dey. Na jungle we dey. No permanent friend for jungle. No permanent enemy for jungle. Okay. The only thing that is permanent is interest. I make you reason on that way. They go that lane.
They talk of interest. As they see me so, I personally get class for my own pursuit of interest. As they see me, I get my own class. I don't know about you. But you see, for me to become friends with that low life, that girl with the open leg, with everything wrong under the trousers, for her to be my friend, go for pay or my you know they possible. Instead, where they here, go be friends with her. May God be my friend. In fact, based on who she be my permanent enemy. Only long couple. Yes.
This is plasma TV showing. They need to see if they play in the show. It's not their regular vehicle. Who they? It is not their regular. If they play in the show. If they play in the show. If they play in the show. They feel run am. I be no shabi. No show down by SUV. No show down by Jeep. No show don't get motor. No show don't get house. No show is a proud house and a freaking SUV owner. Who did? Nonsense. This is heaven on earth. Hey. Oh my goodness. I am an achiever. I am an achiever. Oh my God. This is just a tip of the iceberg to the real thing. Because I am also a proud owner of a duplex. Oh my goodness. I'm so happy. Oh goodness, let me take a chill pill. Oh my goodness.
what? Mercy. Mercy, you don't fall my hand.
Chubby, I don't for your
Mercy, you don't fall my hand. But wait. Now who you just greet? What? Who you just greet? I dey ask you.
Auntie Mirabelle now.
Oh! Because say she carry car enter. Because say she carry car enter. You don't begin the greet am. You not even only greet, I call am auntie. Ha!
Wait till again you won't make her call.
Mercy, you don't fall my hand.
Which one be I don't for your hand?
You don't fall your hand, not even my hand. You don't fall your hand.
Now your hand. Not my own hand I fall. If I like, make I fall my nyash, for my leg, for my eye, anyone, I mean they fall. Not be you. Now this is what I tell you before, but you don't believe me. Now see am. This one a huge one. Huge one. Something huge don't happen.
It's not possible.
Eh?
It's not possible.
It's not possible.
Tata.
Dear, now make pints they wear you.
Fear them, her cups, fear them. If you feel like say you wanna near them, one man, Etiko go. The body na super booba. What a yeah. The body na wire. What a the body na super duper. Super duper. The body na
Mirabelle. The worldwide unlimited Mirabelle. I still cannot believe that this is where I have lived for so many years. So many years of my life. Hell. Hey Joel. Poverty. Fear, I curse you. I curse you. I can never ever in my life, even in my next life, cross path with you. I curse you, poverty. Oh yeah. If it were those days, I would like to lock my door so that no hoodlum would have access into my house. Right now, it is quite open. Saraka, everybody, this is Saraka for you.
If you feel like say you wanna near them, one day, Etiko go. The body na super booba. What a the body na wire.
I was greeting you before. Sorry, what did you just call me? Auntie Mirabelle.
Oh, I think I love the new title. Auntie Mirabelle. From Olosho Mirabelle to Auntie Mirabelle. No more Olosho?
No. Auntie Mirabelle.
Okay, that's fine. Well, it's quite obvious to me that you've gotten back to your senses.
Yes.
So please help me, send a message to the landlady. Tell her that I have officially moved out of her house.
Ew.
I no longer live here. So I'll be moving into my new duplex at New Layout Phase 2. So the remains of my rent, I have no need for it anymore. Just, she could have them.
No problem.
Okay?
I'll tell her.
All right.
I'll tell her.
And I need you to know something. You already know that God has blessed me.
Yes,
but I need you to know how much God has really blessed me. He lifted me from here to there, there. When I talk about there, I mean there. That's so fast.
Yes.
So yeah, up in the sky. That's where God kept me, And you are still here. You've not, you're trying to,
Yes,
So
yes,
I
I'm trying.
want you to have the remains of my properties in that house. I have no need for them anymore. So just take them and help upgrade your miserable life.
I should take them.
Yes.
Auntie, I should take them.
Hey, take everything. Have a nice day. I have no
I
need
should have them.
Have them.
Hey! Thank you, Auntie. God bless you, Auntie. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Mercy! Come back. Hey! Some people don't move. People don't move for this life. Are you okay? What is wrong with you?
You tell me why you didn't move. Are you okay? Do I look like I'm not okay to you?
Now me they ask that stupid question. Wait, now me you they ask that stupid question. Now who you just greet now? Wait, who you just greet? Eh?
You don't ask me this time.
Because she carry car enter. You don't they greet her, Auntie Mirabelle. This, that. I'm disappointed in you. You dey fuck up.
Doris, wetin be your problem? You know they tire. So far no they tire you. Eh? See, I am not ready. I'm not ready to make enemy with you or join hands with you and be Auntie Mirabelle's enemy. No. I am not doing that at all. I told you before, here is jungle. There is no permanent enemy and there is no permanent friend. Auntie Mirabelle is the new way, the new thing. When the onye jigu ke une so, follow who no road. Auntie Mirabelle na she be the road. Follow am, no follow me. Hey! See property. Auntie Mirabelle, thank you. God bless you. See bed, see pillow. Only me. See bed, see pillow. See bed, see pillow. Doris, you don't go see this one, I can't smile. You don't go see this one, I can't smile, Doris. You don't go see this one, I can't smile. See bed, see pillow, see bed, see pillow. Hey!
She's fine, yeah, her cups, yeah, if you feel like say you wanna near them,
Even my enemies will give it to me that I have it. What many ladies go under the knife to get. I have it freely. But then again, it is not enough. Is this deadly enough? No, it's not. I need something so deadly that once I pass anywhere, the people will be looking at me. If I pass through parliament, for example, all these wicked politicians will want to have a touch of my body, thereby milking the even daylight out of them. Right. Hello? I just saw the girl you posted on your page that did butt enhancement. Yes. Oh my goodness. She's to die for. She looks so beautiful and gorgeous with her killer body. Girl, her killer curse is everything in the world. Don't tell me that. Yeah. Girl, I agree that I'm beautiful. But it is not enough. I need to be able to stand tall and compete. You don't need anybody to tell you. Out there, competitions are plenty. They are too much. I can't be left out though. Not at all. What? No. I don't have to think about anything. You need to think about it, girl. What are you trying to say? Babes are out there going under the knife like every now and then to get the killer body, to get the killer curse. No, I will not be left out. I have it all. I concur, but it is not enough. I need to shut the city down with my body. Even mothers, fathers in their homes will be talking about me. So don't tell me that. Yeah, so I have made up my mind. See, I don't care about marriage or whatever. I am out to make money. You know my background now, you know Genge. So I need to step up. I need to live the life, make the money. I don't care about the consequences. Please, don't tell me that. You should be able to think about it. I've made my decision. All right. Bye. I made my decision, no. We need to get the best surgeon in this town now. Ready to get the killer body. One in town. They don't know. They're not seeing it. See girls, they will just be discouraging you, but inside their mind they want to do. I have done it already. You guys are not ready. You're not ready for me. Don't worry now. Only yourself go come. Ask me where I go. No sense. I can't even sleep. But now I have everything. I'm not a big girl. I've got a car. I've got a house. Unlike those days, I had to always borrow cars from car shops each time I want to go out. I even had to go under the knife so they can reset my body for the challenges ahead. The man who invented that body enhancement has already advised women to stop. It has a lot, when I mean a lot, lots of disadvantages. And who cares? All these covetous babes you see around, both in real life on social media, flaunting their asses, have all gone under the knife to look cheeky and sexy. So many of them used to have like Botox, but now they all have the body. The killer curves, killing body. But many of them died in the process, woman. And you feel I will be one of those people that would die? I will not die, oh, I would not. I am doing what everyone is doing, and nobody will stop me.
Yeah, the body now wire, oh. Oi, the body na super duper, a super duper, oh. The body na, oh.
You might not believe this, but it's actually the truth. This is the very first time of meeting a man, and willingly from my heart, I decided to hang out with him. It has never happened. Never has it.
And I believe you. And I am glad to be the one.
You know, I thought you should have asked me why I decided to come here with you.
Well, because it's not in my nature to ask a lot of questions. I don't think that it's gentlemanly to sentence a beautiful woman like you to a lot of questioning. So it's fine.
You know, I like men who are ready to go all out to help a woman. And that is exactly what you did for me.
And now when you put it that way, you make it look like I've done something extraordinary. What I did was only natural. It's only natural for a gentleman to pull up when he sees a beautiful woman like you stranded by the side of a car.
You're saying this because you do not know how long I stood there waiting for someone to help me, because I had issues with my car. I tried to stop so many vehicles, but no one answered until you came. It means a lot to me. It means a lot.
And I am happy to be the one who came along and pulled up. Because I see that my little help has put a smile on your face.
You know, if the world would have 30% of your kind, this place we live in would have been a better place.
Now I'm beginning to feel a little flattered. I would rather you just slow down and let's talk about you.
What exactly do you still want to know about me? Like, I've literally told you everything.
But I have not told you that you are the most beautiful woman I have ever seen. I have just met you today, but it feels like I have known you a lifetime. And now it takes a woman of a certain class to make an impression like that on a man like me.
Don't take me there, okay? It's okay. But the most important thing is that you and I already know each other. We are friends now. And friends, not just friends, good friends we shall remain.
Yeah. Friends. Will always be.
Of course. Let's cheers to that.
Look at you.
Ibezim.
Madam.
Why did it take you so long to open the gate?
I am very sorry, ma. I was in the restroom.
You should be sorry for yourself. What other thing do you have to tell me? This is what you do always. Giving excuses. You're so incompetent, and when you are asked, you start saying nonsense.
I've been having running stomach since morning, ma. Since morning.
Aren't you useless?
Yes, ma.
Oh, you are?
Yes, ma.
It's good a thing you know. And get out of my sight.
I'm sorry, ma. I'm very, very sorry. I even feel like using the restroom right now.
Get out!
Yes, ma.
Animals.
Johnson, what a cute guy. Cuteness no go kill this guy, I beg. He's so breathtaking, handsome and nice. His kind-heartedness was what swept me off my feet. I was crushing on him already. And now I feel like dying already for him. Can't wait to be in his arms. Oh, my Johnson. I think I should call him. Speak of the devil. Hi. I'm good. Oh, you're calling to know if I've gotten to my destination. Oh, isn't that so thoughtful of you? You are indeed a romantic man. Yes, I'm home now. And you? Everything is alright. Okay, I will surely keep in touch. It's no problem. You know, I was thinking, can you make it to my place this evening? Okay. Tomorrow is not bad. Tomorrow is just fine. I'll be expecting you. Alright, okay. Listen!
Take them easy.
It's a beautiful place you have here.
Thank you so much. You're welcome.
I gotta mean, for a single girl, you're doing great.
Thank you. You're flattered. Please have a seat.
Oh, thank you.
And give me a minute.
Sure.
They come softly, 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 no go window. Hey.
Okay. Get you something.
Oh, sure. Thank you.
So you're most welcome to my house.
Yeah, it's good to be here.
Looks like she's from Sosole Soul. Baby, yo, play soul.
Thank you.
Wanna go ta ta ta.
I hope it wasn't difficult for you locating here.
No, not at all. It was straightforward.
Right.
So, you don't mind me asking what you do for a living now, do you?
No, not at all. I'm a contractor.
Contracts, yeah? What kind?
I supply toiletries and other hardwares to hospitals and hotels.
Boy. Okay.
And why are you smiling? You don't like my kind of job?
Oh, says who? Come on, it's an honorable job. I'm smiling because it's interesting to know that you and I do the same kind of business.
Oh, really?
Yes, it's just that in addition to supplies, I also venture into real estate. I love the real estate business.
Wow. Well, I hope it won't be somehow if I tell you you are too cute.
Am I?
You are extremely handsome.
Thank you.
And I believe a lot of girls will be filing up just to get your attention.
Oh, I wish I noticed them. I'm always too busy with work to notice that.
Oh, come on, darling. Everyone is busy. But you know, sometimes you gotta make out a little time for the opposite sex.
Oh, well, that's why I'm here now. You have my attention, don't you?
You? Of course. I have it, and I'm super happy that you're in my house today. Without wasting time, I would like you to, come with me to my room.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, I want to show you around, and also I don't mind if we spend quality time together.
Quality time sounds good to me.
Yeah. So, can we already?
Take them easy. Well, you there on speed, and the speed they kilo.
It is possible that Mirabelle is connected to an evil place. It is possible that she has used my destiny to become comfortable in life. It was since after I started sleeping with her that my business crashed and she became rich.
She's looking like a piece of highways.
So when you leave here, come here, come they think. What be the thing where they bother you?
Baba, I left the yard to come here to think. Just allow me to be, please.
I understand. The situation of the country is very, very bad. Things are not going well. Everything they rough. But see, suicide not be the option out. It's not the way out. I know say you come here and I can't sit down. They think say whether you go drink poison or what you go use by yourself. But no now. No do am. Things go better. Eh? My brother. Oh. Sorry, eh?
Wait, Baba. What to make you think say me won't kill myself? Eh? I am just here thinking about Mirabelle. Nothing more.
You come out for yard, come here, come sit down, they think of Mirabelle. Mirabelle will not come out for our compound, not come out for our neighborhood since. And since she left this neighborhood, she has not returned. What you come make you think of Mirabelle?
Oh, but you no go understand. You no go understand. Just let me be, please. Let me be.
I no go understand. Meaning say, you won't start that insult way you always give me now. Meaning say, I know the reason where. Eh? What you come make you think say you get sense or you're more intelligent than me? Eh? Be this boy.
Bobo.
Eh?
Allow me to be, please. Let me think now.
The body na super booba.
You know you might not like the sound of this, but it's actually how I feel right now, you know.
Come on, darling. Tell me exactly how you feel. I've told you, be free with me. Huh?
Mirabelle, you are the sweetest woman that I have ever been with.
You know, I know I've got the sweetest powerhouse. I just wanted you to, have a taste and then confirm it.
And I'm just wondering if I can have you one more time.
Why would you even say that? I am all yours. I mean, I would even appreciate it if you can spend the night here.
What? How risky can that be now? I mean, isn't there a likelihood that your man could barge in on us and create a scene here?
My man?
Yeah.
Where did you get that from? There is no man anywhere.
What? Are you kidding me?
I'm not. I mean, I'm a very busy woman, super busy. I don't have such in my schedule.
But how busy can you get that you begin to starve yourself of sex, baby? Come on.
Don't call it starve. I know exactly what I'm doing. I mean, what do you even think? And okay, let's not go there. I am not being a saint here. I do make out. But what attracts me to a man is different from what attracts other ladies. So let's just leave that topic for now.
Okay, it's all right. I see you're getting a bit emotional, but quite frankly, I'm surprised,
Why? Why are you surprised?
Why? Because you're so beautiful. I mean, have you seen yourself? You are the sexiest woman I have ever seen. I mean, every man would want to have you.
Thank you for the compliment, but let's leave that aside. As a self-made woman, just believe me when I tell you things, okay?
All right. So we were on the topic of me having you one more time,
And I'm ready. Ever ready.
Damn it.
She's fine, yeah. Her cups, yeah. If you feel like say you wanna near them, Monday, Etiko. The body na super booba. The body na wire, oh. The body na super duper, a super duper. The
Welcome, ma. Madam, is everything all right?
And the speed they kilo. They come no they to rush.
Madam,
they come so free.
Are you sure you are fine, ma?
So free, no go window.
Can I help you, ma? This one, madam, is behaving like this and she's not even answering my greetings. I hope all is well.
It's like she's from Socialization. Baby, yo, Mason.
Madam, should I come inside?
Wanna go ta ta ta.
What is this? Could it be that I'm pregnant? No. But I just saw my period. Why this sharp pain? Why this pain? This is too much for me. I'm bleeding too much. I think I should call a doctor. What would I even tell the doctor when I call? No. It's let's go, Johnson. Hello, Johnson. Johnson, please come to my house. I'm bleeding to death. I'm dying. Please come take me to the hospital.
Oh my goodness, this does not. Easy. Take it easy. What is going on? Why are you bleeding? What did you take? What happened?
I just started bleeding. It's a hospital. I don't know.
Did you commit abortion? Did you take something? You know what? Let's go to the hospital. We'll talk about all of this later. Just easy. Sorry. This doesn't look good at all. Sorry. What? You should have called me earlier. Sorry. Doctor.
She's in the intensive care unit. And my colleagues who are expert in female organs are taking care of her.
Doctor, I need you to tell me more, please. What I saw wasn't good at all. I saw blood. You know, I saw blood. She was in a terrible state, as if she was going to pass out.
Yes, she would have, if you had not brought her when you did. And I must tell you the truth, as a man, she is in a critical condition.
Doctor, when you say that now, you scare me. What exactly is the problem? Talk to me. She didn't look good at all. She looked like she had lost every strength in her, you know?
I need to see my colleagues and know what they are doing. I'll be with you shortly.
What exactly is going on? Could it be she aborted a pregnancy? Or lost a pregnancy? But she never mentioned it to me. What exactly is going on? No, please. What exactly? Can you give me any update? What is going on?
The doctors are attending to her. I believe she'll be
What
fine.
I'm saying is the doctors that that are working on, did they tell you exactly what the problem is?
Sir, they will talk to you, please.
Yeah, hello. Dr. Millicent, how are you? I'm fine. I need a favor from you. There's a lady in my clinic that I want you to counsel as a lady. Yes, I can talk to her myself, but I think a female doctor of your caliber should be in a better position to do that. We found out she went under the knife while looking for beauty enhancement. Yes, the doctor that carried out this surgery in trying to transfer fat from her stomach to her buttock did a very bad job. Yes, and her womb got badly damaged at the process. This lady in question will not be able to conceive again. I want you to be the one to break this news to her. Yes. Yes, thank you. Thank you.
Without dying.
Johnson.
Baby.
I know you're so intelligent to see the great picture. You can see the picture of you and I. Think about Romeo and Juliet. Think about the love exhibited in the film Titanic. It could be you and I. Great filmmakers in the future would make great films with what we're about to do. Honey, please, let's just take this decision. Let's do this. I believe we'll be much more happier in the world beyond. All the money will be given to your sister. Please. Babe, please.
Okay. But you would have to transfer the money first.
Immediately. I will do it now. Oh, I have your details. It's done. It's done. I told you I can do anything for you. Babe.